Today we're unboxing the Cada Suzuki Jimny 112 scale set. The vehicle can be controlled using the included remote control or a phone app. The box is huge, colorful, and very sturdy. So sturdy, in fact, that I had trouble opening it. The set consists of 579 pieces and allows you to assemble a remote-controlled Suzuki Jimny off-road vehicle. Inside, you'll find Lego-compatible bricks, instructions, a remote control, stickers, several cables, and a base. The base contains the car's mechanisms, a remote control receiver, and a battery compartment. There's a rechargeable battery with a USB charging cable. The vehicle can be controlled using the included 2.4 gig remote control or via a Bluetooth remote control app at a distance of over 25 meters without losing connection. According to the manufacturer, the car can reach speeds of up to 5.5 kilometers per hour. The app can be downloaded by scanning the QR code on the packaging and is available for Android and iOS devices. The instructions are simple, clear, and very Lego style. The car looks great from the outside and is very solidly built. The door is open, and that's it. Under the hood, it's bare. The interior of the cabin looks decidedly sparse. There are only 2 seats and a steering wheel, but perhaps this will help us lose fewer parts while playing with the car. We're preparing for you more content about Lego sets, but also sets from other brands like Cada or Mold King. We even ordered some sets from Temu to compare build process, overall quality, and fun factor. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe and leave a comment about what would you like to see next. It drives, steers, and flashes both front and rear lights. the rear suspension works properly and is well balanced for the car's weight. Unfortunately, the car is rear-wheel drive only, so I don't know how it will perform off-road, but we'll find out soon. Thanks for watching, and see you on our next build.